Go vlog. We're here at Nishiki, not at night market, food market or something. Ito yung tawag dito, parang sa Tondo to eh. Yung Ugbo market. Ugbo market. Tusok-tusok. So, parang yung pinuntahan natin to sa Ueno ba? Ueno? Oh. Wow. Ada. Shrimp. Oh, umbrella. Umbrella shop. Parang Ueno. Oh. Oh, ganun, habang-haba, oh. Wow. So, ano to? Kanto-kanto, no? All the way doon, ah. Saan side lang? Oh, ito lang side na to. So, may bubong talaga. Ito, oh, tusok-tusok. Oh, tato, paborito mo, oh. Okoy, oh. Wow. Mixed tempura. Onion tempura. Squid tempura. Octopus tempura. Mukhang masarap yan, ah. Tat oyster, oh, tempura. Ito naman, pusit. Pusit and octopus, oh. Oh. Ito, scallops, oh. No.
There's eggs inside.
Ayan, wow. Ito, sardines tart, oh. Sardines, oh. Taka, tart, oh, ano, raw. Ito, raw. Oh, sashimi. Oh my God. That's a good one, oh. Oh, wow. Oh, Wagyu. Tart, Wagyu. That's the real Wagyu. Ito naman, Indian beef sirloin tempura. Wow. Ito naman tart, mga strawberry. So, strawberry. Oh. Wanna go? Can we? Wow. King crab. King crab, oh. Oh, eel. Try that later. Pagbalik na lang na. Oh, look at that. Big, oh. Ay, yung tart yung legs, no? Oh, crab legs na binuksan na. Gyoza, oh, gyoza. Gyoza. Karage. Oh my God. Look at that. Karage. Cash only. Okonomiyaki. Yan pala yung okonomiyaki tart. Yung parang egg. Oh, Wagyu. Look at my Wagyu. Is it tart? That's my Wagyu.
Look at
Tempura, oh. Ricky's favorite.
this I like. The veggie.
You like the veggie tempura?
Yeah, the veggie.
Ito naman, oh, eel. That's scallops, oh. Scallops.
When you buy, they grill.
Oh, they grill it for you. Ito, crab sticks, no? Salmon belly tart, oh. Ito naman, see guys, scallops. This is the scallops. Whelk, squid, octopus, oh, baby octopus. Oh, grilled turban. Ito pala yung turban shell. Big clam. Ito yung abalone. Oh my gosh. Ay, so cute. Ito naman sushi. Oh, to. Yung ano, tawag doon? Sea urchin. Oh, wow, look at that. Sarap rin yan, oh. Oh, maganda, oh. Ang gawa niya. Oh my gosh, Ricky, oh. Raw, oh. Fresh oyster. That's amazing. Namaya ako magwa-wagyu tart. Cash only. Ito wagyu rin, oh. Oh my gosh, wagyu on stick tart. Wagyu on stick. Wow. Oyster, oh, eat here. Mga incense. Ay, hindi. Glass work. Glass work. Oh. Talagang diretso lang tart, no? Ayun na dulo. Hindi, meron pa pala sa dulo. Akala ko dulo na yun. Ah, ito naman mga trinkets.
We can come back tomorrow. We can come back tomorrow. We'll find a good ramen spot. Let's go.
Wow!
Where's your dad?
Oh! It's an octopus. Oh, maganda, oh. Grabe, no? Ay, ginigrilled nila. Soro pa yan? O display? Ah, half cake. Oh, it's so long. One straight shot, si Tart. Just one alley.
Okay.
Wow. Ah, it's a cute. Oh, there's a dog there. A cat. Oh, gusto ni Clarice to. Look at that, Clarice. Oh my God. Wow. Ano ba siya? Parang ano lang? It's not even 990 yen. Ah, ito naman yung mga ano. That's so cute. Ito pa, isa wagyu rin, no? Asa siya? Wow. Mahaba na naman to. Lahat na pare-pareho na yan. Daming kumakain din. Dami.
Yeah, he found it. Kaya pala yung iba, inuuwi nila.
To go.
Tugo na lang, mas gusto.
Oo. Kasi pa hindi mo naman kaya hindi sit in na.
Kayo sila.
Oo, ayan. Ano naman yan? Nice. Grabe yung Wagyu. Ay, dulo na. Wow! Ang ganda si Tart. Wow! Grabe. Oh! Potato chips. Sweet potato chips. Oh, ito. Oh. Laki, oh.
Strawberry.
And I think it's that's the end. Or no. Sally's Kitchen. Oh, ate. Kitchen mo, ate. Oh. Sally's Kitchen. Ang laki ng ano to. My gosh. Hindi, fake yan. Ito mga plato tart, oh. Oh. Souvenir. Plates. Saka sale ba? Ayun, parang ano, pang rice na, yung mga bowl na gano'n. Ito, barber shop. Wendy's First Kitchen. Tart, ano to? No, it's a temple. It's a temple. Ayan, temple tart siya, ayan. Naghuhugas. It's a temple si Tart. Romansa ang papa. Oh. It's the same one. That's the same one like the prayer.
Did you find the Tagalog?
Wala. Sabi ko sa'yo, nag-iisa lang tayo. Find me a Tagalog one si Tart.
Yung pusa ang pangalan ni
Bulldog.
Kishi.
Nishiki.
Yung gumagawa.
Nikishi. Nishiki.
Yung pusa, yung ba siya?
Oo, yata. Hindi, alak yun Nishiki. Tart eh.
Hindi, ano pangalan ng pusa?
Oh,
Gumagawa?
si Muning. At ito baboy. Baboy yun. Ay, kalaba ka. Kala ko baboy. Oh.
This is the golden calf.
Ano yung sinusuot na yun? Nagwi-wish? Bibili ka yata ng parang kaya yun dati. Balik na tayo, Tart. Tapusin ko na to.